Hi everyone. So I am like extremely beyond excited to come on here today and film this video. I got invited to the Welcome to New York as soon as you want to film something. So I wanted to come on here today and film this video because I got an invitation to the Rebecca Minkoff sample sale in New York, so I could not have passed that up. I've always wanted a Rebecca Minkoff bag. I could never justify the price of their bags, especially for the size of their bags, but a sample sale I could not let down. I could not pass that by. Whatever the saying is, I had to go. I went and I found some amazing goodies. So without further ado, like YouTubers say, here is what I came out of. What they do is like they clip your receipt onto here. My receipt fell out, so I couldn't. First thing that's actually in this bag, well, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into the video right now. I don't want to have to do a whole bunch of editing and drag this video out longer than it needs to be. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna pull out of this bag is my my Christian Dior saddle bag that you guys seen me unbox like a whole year ago, and I just added the Sam Edelman strap to it. But here is if you're ready. I don't know if you're ready. Let me know if you're ready. Alright. Insert like beating drums, trumpet noise right here. This is the bag that I picked up during the Rebecca Minkoff sample sale. I am just overjoyed. I love this bag. It's beautiful. I seen some person on the line with one of these while I was checking whatever the items were, and I'm like, oh, where is this? And you know, like, if anyone has ever been to a sample sale, it's basically like a madhouse. There's just things everywhere, people everywhere, and you basically have to sift. It's basically like going to a thrift store. You have to sift through, I'm gonna put this on the floor. You have to sift through a bunch of like ugly ducklings just to find your swan, and I found my swan. So I actually don't know the name of these bags. Let me see. Okay, so this is a mini Mac in the color Red Snake. So here's this beauty, and inside of it comes the strap. So pretty, so pretty. Oh, I love it so much already. Typically in my wardrobes, I do not have much color when it comes to bags, but I know I did a unboxing of, I don't remember the name of the bag actually, a fossil bag actually, one of my fossil bags, and it was a similar color to this, so obviously that's, you know, one of the colors that I allow into my wardrobe. This is very loud, sorry. But anyways, it comes with this chain strap which has stunning details. I don't know, it just fell. And it's silver, and it has this beautiful like geometric shape to it. Inside of the bag, it just fell out, comes with the Rebecca Minkoff care card for your mini Mac. That's that. Also in the bag comes a dust bag. This is so cute. I actually am I am one of the people in this world that uses their dust bags to store their bags. It never hurts to just keep your babies safe because you invested X amount of money into them. Alright, so to get onto, oh, there's like tissue. My cat's right here and she's like getting startled. So this is the bag. If you've seen the Max, the Mini Max, then you know basically how it is. There's the little buckle strap thing in the front that I most likely will never use. And there's a zipper pocket. It's very shallow, so I don't think you can even really store much to it. And I think it's so cute that on the zippers, this, you know, the zipper tabs, they have these little tassels, which are so cute. On the body, on the inside of the bag, there is one like very not wide or deep pocket, and that's it. There's not much else going on inside of the bag, so it's very I decided to just attach the strap to the bag. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love it. I love this bag already. This is the Rebecca Minkoff Sunday Mini Mac, and it's in the color Red Snake. So yeah, I can definitely do a review on this bag, how I like it. I know Mini Macs or Macs are nothing new for Rebecca Minkoff. I'm really excited to use this bag. Thank you so much. And I also picked up 2 more little goodies from the sample sale. The next one, sorry, is a little SLG. And it's in this pretty blue, like, bird florally pattern thingy. There's no birds actually, it's just florals. And it says Rebecca Minkoff right here in silver. I realized I got a lot of silver. Yeah. And you open it like that. It has the protecting thingy. That's how it's on the inside. Comes with a whole bunch of junk to protect your bags. Comes a little junk again. And it has a little key ring with this little Rebecca Minkoff like tag. More junk. Another Rebecca Minkoff care card. This is coated canvas. So it's basically like if you buy a Neverfull. Alright, let me just take all of the protective. Okay. Here's the zipper. Zips back and forth. This one has 1 large pocket in the back. 1 zipper pocket for, I'm assuming, coins. And another little tab for something. And the back has a clear little window for your ID. And also there's another little pocket in the back. So I actually want to transition my wallet. If I thought I had my wallet around here, but I don't. This is gonna be my new wallet for the year. This is also, I just want to say, I don't shop a lot. I barely to never shop anymore. So these are basically birthday presents to myself. My birthday was in August 27, and I turned 25, and I did not get myself anything. The only thing was a trip to Vegas, which I guess is my gift to myself. But yeah, and I got one of these like stickers, varsity letter stickers, and it's in P because my name is Pamela. I never really liked the colors they do for P. I wish, you know, they gave like the pretty pinks or the blues or the reds, but I always just get yellow. But I guess it's like sunshiny, you know. It's okay, you know. But yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching this very random, all over the place video. If you are interested in me doing a review on, oh my gosh, so much happening right now on this bed, on my new Rebecca Minkoff Mini Mac bag in Red Snake. If you would like for me to do a review on this bag, then please let me know down in the comment section below. It will, you know, I would probably do it a month from now, because I like to actually wear my bags, and when I wear my bags, I wear my bags to the depth of it. For example, this bag, oops, I know I made a video about it, I never posted it. I've worn this bag literally to death. I have gotten my money's worth out of it. It's absolutely amazing. I love this bag, so it smells so good. But yes, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns or suggestions, please leave it down in the comment section below. And if you have any advice for me on caring for Rebecca Minkoff bags, especially these like embossed type ones, oh my god, I love this bag so much. Hopefully it wears and I can wear it as much as I am loving looking at it. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.